In a sobering address, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un declared that the volatile geopolitical climate surrounding his nation necessitates heightened preparedness for war. According to the KCNA news agency, Kim emphasized this point during his inspection of North Korea's principal military institution, the Kim Jong-second University of Military and Politics. Named after his late father, Kim Jong-second, the university holds significance as the pinnacle of military education within North Korea. Kim conveyed a stern message to university staff and students, affirming the readiness of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, which is DPRK, to swiftly and decisively confront any potential military threats. He emphasized that in the face of escalating tensions, the DPRK stands prepared to deliver a devastating blow to its adversaries. Against the backdrop of a complex international landscape, Kim underscored the necessity for unwavering preparedness for conflict. The KCNA report highlighted Kim's acknowledgement of the uncertain and unstable military and political environment surrounding the DPRK. Outlining the complicated international situation and the uncertain and unstable military and political situation around the DPRK, he said that now is the time to be more thoroughly prepared for a war than ever before. This declaration comes in the wake of North Korea's recent demonstration of military capability with the test launch of a new hypersonic, intermediate-range ballistic missile. Analysts suggest that this advancement enhances North Korea's capacity to deploy missiles more effectively. Moreover, North Korea has accused the United States and South Korea of exacerbating military tensions through what it perceives as provocative military exercises. The allies' intensified drills in recent months have further strained relations as North Korea remains steadfast in its military posturing. Tensions continue to simmer on the Korean peninsula, underscoring the precarious nature of regional stability in East Asia.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.